message for you right now. It just came through. The message is relax. Just relax. Relax and maybe take some nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and make a sound when you're breathing out that definitely relaxes your system and your body. And a relaxed nervous system and body is so needed, so needed every single day, and especially needed when we are in some challenging times, going through challenging times. If we are really emotional right now, or in a conflict, or about to navigate a conflict, the first important thing is to really relax your body and your whole system, your whole nervous system. It makes a huge difference. So this is a big reminder for you and for me, because I have been also in many situations, especially in the last year and years, where my nervous system wasn't relaxed at all, and I wasn't feeling safe at all, and I didn't know what to do also in such situations, especially when I had to navigate some conflicts and being fully me and open and vulnerable. And if I would have known all those things and did all those things what I'm doing now and knowing now, it would have been a different story for sure. But we're never stopping learning and to become better, a better person, a better version of ourselves. And we never stop growing when we choose to do so, right? It just takes time, just like healing takes time, and everybody does it in their own time, right? So be patient with other people, and especially also with yourself, but keep on doing the work. Stick with it, and stick with yourself, your true self, and your heart. Never close your heart. Let it open. Go for what you want and relax into everything. Then everything else will follow. So with that being said, sending you so much love. So much love to you.